Hi guys, welcome to ITRXCEL again. Today, we will work on exercise 1. In task A we practice moving around the spreadsheet, each time starting from cell C4, highlighted in yellow. Firstly select C4 by left-clicking on the cell. Now using the mouse to scroll up and down the sheet. Let's practice the navigation using the keyboard. Use the page up and down buttons to scroll up and down the sheet faster. Also, to navigate even faster, use the keys Ctrl plus Home to go at the top of the sheet quickly, and the keys Ctrl plus N to go right at the end. In task B, we keep practicing moving around the spreadsheet, again from cell C4. Use Ctrl and down arrow to move first to cell C6, then across to the next table at C9. Now repeat the exercise, but this time while holding the Shift key as well, to select a range of cells. Finally, practice again page up and page down to scroll quickly the sheet. In task C, we will use what we learned in task B to explore the copy and paste and the moving functions. Also, we will look at how to create a new tab sheet in an Excel file. Starting from the yellow cell, hold down both the Shift and Ctrl keys and use the arrows keys to select the cells from C4 to E6. Now let's copy the table holding Ctrl down and pressing the C key, Ctrl plus C. Select C9 with the mouse and paste there holding the Ctrl down and pressing the V key, Ctrl plus V. Now, using the same method, select the cells from C9 to E11 and cut the selection, ready to be moved. Holding the Ctrl down and pressing on the X key, Ctrl plus X. Select C14 with the mouse and paste there using Ctrl plus V again. It will move the table from C9 to C14. Now let's practice some other shortcuts. Let's explore the undo and the redo functions, which are really useful when we do a mistake. Using the same method used for copy, press Ctrl plus Z to undo and Ctrl plus Y to redo. At last, let's create a new sheet by clicking on the plus sign. Rename the sheet as Index and drag it as First. Let's finish task C by writing your full name in A1 and today's date in A2. Increase the zoom to 150 to make the spreadsheet more visible. Once this is done, save the sheet and close it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.